Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the cover by prying it off.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Disconnect the bulb housing. Squeeze the tabs and pull the connector to disconnect it. Remove the bolts that secure the housing by turning them counterclockwise. Remove the fasteners. Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle.
So these are the two pieces that we're looking at. You got one that looks like this, one that looks like this. The one that looks like this is going to go on the outer edge, okay? And it kind of only goes on there one way. So we'll put it on there like that. And then this one is going to go over here. You're going to want the longer side in the front. Once again, this only will go on one particular way, because essentially what's happening is that these plastic pieces, once they go on there, they're physically holding the housing into place.
Replace the bolts that secure the housing by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.
Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing. Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and swinging it back in place.